Okay, Danny. What are we going to talk about? Danny, you're 100% free to talk about anything, but also to talk about nothing. What is the most important thing to say at this moment? Wait, did I cut this moment off too soon? Okay, let's rewind and start again. What is the most important thing to say at this moment? Okay, nothing, right? Maybe nothing isn't quite it. Maybe there is something to say about this moment, and that is that there is nothing to be said about this moment. Would you agree to that? Oh, good. Okay. By the way, I got a certificate on ventriloquism, so I am professional. I am a professional. Danny. This is Danny O'Day, by the way. That's what we call him. That's what his name is. This is Giselle, by the way. Same thing for her. Tell me, Danny. Tell us, Danny. Why do we feel that we need to say things about moments? We need to know things that apparently explain things. Ooh. You don't know? You do know. You do know, but you're not saying why? Okay, and is that because we humans, which are not quite like you, but maybe made in the, I was going to say shape of you, but I meant illusion of you, don't function in the same way. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, great. And am I right in saying that we can't know what we can't know? Okay. What is it that we can't know? Is it everything? Anything? What is it that we can't know? Danny, you're being so cryptic. Okay, well, I'll accept that. We'll accept that, right? Because we really don't have a choice. So, given that, what is the point of trying to say things or understand things or know things? I mean, oh, Danny. Oh, Danny, you're sweet. You sense it. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll say goodnight tonight, I think. Is that what you want to do? Danny, you're so cryptic. I don't get it. All right. Well, let's just get a good night's sleep and see what happens tomorrow, a new day. Yeah. Okay. Well, there you have it. Reporting from Cottonwood, Giselle, and Danny. And till next time.